Hey guys, I hope you liked my Wear a Mask dance. Shout out Americares for letting me be part in choreographing it. If you guys want to learn it, keep watching. Okay, so the first lyrics say, wear a mask, wear a mask. I hop on my left foot and I cover my mouth like this. So he says, wear a mask, stop. Now it says, wash your hands, and stop. Then you turn, and mask, and stop. 5 feet apart, together, I step, back together. Stay at home, out, it ain't that bad. Click, down. Okay, next part, you're gonna hear 3 clicks. So I go click, and my hands are just over my mouth like the beginning. So I go click, down, and groove it, like that. So we're here. We go click, and groove. So now let's try it all together from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Wear a mask, stop, wash your hands. Wear a mask and stop. 5 feet apart, together, step, back. Stay at home, out, it ain't that bad. Click, down, and a boom, and groove, stop. Okay, so next part he says, listen to the science, not the he say, she say. Wear a mask and save a life is just that easy. Now I step left, right, stop. 2020 on replay. Tap, front and roll it and back. Okay, now let's try the second part all together fast. 5, 6, 7, 8. Listen to the science and she say. Wear a mask and save a life. It's just that easy. Step 2020 on replay. Tap, boom, and groove and back. Okay, now let's try the first part and second part all together with music.
Wear a mask, wash your hands, wear a mask, 5 feet apart, step 1 foot back, stay at home, it ain't that bad, wear a mask, listen to the science, not the he say, she say. Wear a mask and save a life, it's just that easy. So we don't have to live 2020 on replay when mom and dad were selling toilet paper on eBay.
Okay guys, that's the Wear a Mask dance. I hope you had fun with it and I hope you learned it. Don't forget to tag Americares if you post it. Thank you guys.